Hi guys, it's Amy. We just read The Tiny Seed, and now we're going to do an art project that helps us remember the life cycle of a plant and some of the things that a plant needs. Before we get started, I am going to draw 2 lines straight down my paper so that we can break it into 3 parts. I'm going to use this black marker for that. And I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to start right here and go straight down. That way my paper is in 3 equal parts. So the next thing that I'm going to do is draw some grass. So I'm going to use the screen marker for that, and I'm just going to make a bumpy line all the way across the bottom of my paper. Does grass grow in the sky? No, then we're not going to draw it in the sky. We're going to draw the grass down here close to the bottom of our paper because that's where it would be, on the ground. So when we plant a seed, are we going to plant it up here in the air, or would we plant it down here under the grass? Right, under the grass. So I am going to plant this seed right here. And I'm going to do this seed in each one of my 3 parts. All right, so the next thing that's going to happen is we're going to add some roots. We're going to add some roots. Where do you think the roots are going to grow? Which direction do roots grow? Down and kind of out. So we're going to draw some little squiggly roots on these seeds, just like this. Some on each one. And then what happens to a plant? First there's a seed, and then it does what? It grows into a sprout or a tiny plant. So we're going to draw a tiny plant or a sprout coming out of this seed. Maybe it has one little leaf on this side and of course the stem. The next thing that we're going to do is grow that sprout just a little bit taller. So look, it grew taller in this one. And now it's not just a little sprout anymore. It's a full-grown flower. So we're going to draw the flower at the top of this one too. I think I'm going to use purple. I think I'm going to do a purple flower. So I'm going to do some dark purple in the center. I'm going to make a circle like that. And then I'm going to do some light purple petals like this. Just like that. Little loops. Around and around, just like that. The other thing that we talked about that we needed to draw were some things that this plant needs to grow. Can you remember what the plant needs to grow? We need sun, water, and air. So we can't really draw the air because the air is all around us. We don't even see it when we're around in real life. So we're not going to draw any air. What we are going to do is in this picture, we're going to draw some sun to help it grow. So I'm going to get my yellow marker, and I'm going to draw the sun way up here. The sun, just like that. We're going to fill it in so it's really bright because our plant needs lots of sun to grow. And the next thing our plant needs is water. Where do plants outside get their water? Do you remember? Rain, that's right. So we're going to draw some raindrops in this picture. Just a few, so it looks like it's raining down on our plant to help it grow. Maybe a few more, just like that. And now we're going to do some writing. We're going to write some words. We're going to label this picture. When I say label, that means we're going to write the word next to what it is. So I'm going to help you with these words. First word that we're going to write is sun. S-U-N. Sun. The next word that we're going to write is rain. R-A-I-N. Don't forget to start at the top of your letters when you're writing, okay? And then over here, we're going to start with this one, and we're going to say seed. S And we're going to write sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. We can also write flower up here. F-L-O-W-E-R. There's also a few more words that we can add. We could write roots, maybe down here, roots, R-O-O-T-S, and stem. Where's the stem? Does anybody remember where the stem is? I think I'm going to write stem right here. S-T-E-M, just like that. Oh, and leaf. We can't forget the leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf, for that leaf right there. I want you guys to draw one of these really awesome pictures, label as many of the things as you can, and then send me a picture. You can send it to me on our Facebook page. You can send it to me in an email. You can upload it to our Shutterfly. But I want to see all your hard work. Bye, guys.